Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be designing this typography poster in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First thing, let's set up our document. I'm going to use a 1700 by 2400 and press create. Now select the text tool, choose your favorite font, increase the size and make it all caps. And let's write something. In my case I will write steps. Cool, let's scale it up a bit more and that's it. Now with our text selected, let's go to Effects, 3D and Materials, 3D Classic and select Rotate. On the 3D Rotate options, select Isometric Right and press OK. Now let's make a copy of the isometric text and push it down. And let's go to Window and find Properties. And on the Properties tab, let's click on the 3D effect to edit it and change the position to Isometric Top, rotate it so it matches the same direction of the other text and press OK. Before we apply colors, let's align our text. Then we go to Window, Swatches Libraries, Art History and Pop Art. Let's apply some colors and perfect. Now let's make something really cool. With our text selected, let's go to Object, Pattern and Make. And it will open a pattern menu where you have access to the configurations of the visual. Let's leave it as a grid on a tile type and adjust the width and the height until the pattern looks nice. With that finish, click Done. Now let's move our text to the side and get a rectangle tool to make a shape the same size as our artboard. Then let's go to Swatches and find our nearly done pattern and apply it. Scale down the design and get a rectangle tool to make a background. Apply a dark color, right click, arrange it and send it to the back, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Cheers, bye bye.